Welcome! Today, we will explore the different patterns of leaf.
Bilateral symmetry in leaves. Based on this image, the leaves appear to be compound leaves, possible from a senna species or similar plant, with leaflets arranged along a central axis.
Radial symmetry in bougainvillea. The bougainvillea exhibits radial symmetry, also known as rotational symmetry or polysymmetry. This is because the flower can be divided into two equal halves by any plane passing through the central axis.
Trees demonstrate fractal patterns through their branching structure, showcasing self-similarity at various scales. The main trunk splits into large branches, which then divide into smaller branches, and finally into twigs, mirroring the structure of the wood tree.
When threatened, certain millipede species exhibit a spiral pattern by coiling into a tight, protective spiral, tucking their vulnerable parts inside for defense against predators. This behavior showcases a spiral pattern because the millipede's body forms a coil curving around a central point, providing a compact, armored form. Spirals in nature often offers structural integrity and efficient use of space, evident in the millipede's defensive posture. While millipede itself isn't inherently spiral, its coiling behavior demonstrates how spiral patterns appear in nature.